Hello, my dear viewers. All right. Hello, my dear viewers. I'm sorry. There's a bit of delay. This is the Dukas Copy Webinar YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. And my phone is still ringing. Sorry. Um, Guys, my name is Rakesh. I'm your host here. This is the daily webinar that we are doing from Monday to Friday. Today is the Thursday. It's the fourth trading day of the week. The day is 9th of November. So let's begin. You already know that what we are going to do here. Well, we are going to find out the key levels of importance for all the pairs that we see, and we'll see how we can use those key levels in our trading. And if you continue doing the same thing for over and over again, statistically you will have an advantage when you do 1:3 or more risk to reward ratio. That is exactly what we are going to learn in these webinars that we do. Okay, I am a Dukas Copies trading community member. I'm not their employee, therefore all the opinion or trading ideas that I'm going to talk about is of my own. They don't have anything to do with the Dukas Copy. Welcome to the webinar, Anis Ahmed. Thank you for your chat time. And before I take you to my charts, let me take you through this standard risk disclaimer. All right, gentlemen, this is ladies and gentlemen, there may be ladies also. So this is the daily chart, not the daily chart. This is the 4-hourly chart of the dollar index, and this is what you are expecting, that if the price closes below, then we will be looking for this level to act as a resistance. Well, that has not happened, and we said that we will sell dollar once 4-hour confirms market structure break, and here the market structure break has occurred. Why? Because the price was making higher high and higher low, and this was the lowest low that the price has, sorry, highest low that the price has made before making this high, and till here it was not broken, but here it is broken. I'll show you by removing this from the chart here. So you see that this low is broken, so you can safely say that the price has now made a lower low. So it is possible that now it will make a lower high and then continue further. Yes, so you can count this as one wave, one single wave from here till here. Okay, multiple. So this you can count like this. So this low is taken out. So expect a lower low now, sorry, lower high and lower low. So expect the price to break this low of 4 hour, which is 105.21. So this is just to get an idea where the dollar is going. So it looks like as if the dollar is going down. The candle is red, the volumes are huge, so most probably for the rest of the day the dollar is going down, and maybe tomorrow also the dollar will be going down. That is, in the broader sense, the dollar will be going down against most of the other currency pairs. Okay, so now we will be looking for the selling opportunity. How you can look for that? You can see if this price is going higher, or you can block the upward movement from this channel like this, and then see when the price hits some confluence, which is here. You see this is a confluence of resistances, and the price can go like this and then it can go like this. Okay, this is possible. So let's see how the things unfold, but as per me, I think 105.50 area should be a very good resistance for the price when the price hits this area. So Anish, do you have any specific pair that you want me to talk about, or we should just go like as it is, as we do every day? Or if anybody, for whatsoever, if anybody who is watching right now has any queries or questions or some specific pair that you want me to see, then we'll go live in that pair. If not, then I will just go through all the currency pairs that we have on our chart, on our platform. The gold went lower yesterday. The gold is also now in a selling mode. So you should be looking for a selling opportunity in the gold also. USD MXN. I think you are looking for a buying opportunity, or no? We are looking for a selling opportunity in here. Yes, we were looking for a selling opportunity in here because of this market structure break here. Here the market structure broke. Even on the 4 hour, the channel has also broken. Why I'm taking this low? Because this low, after this low, the price made another high. So this is a relevant low, but that low is taken out now. So at least expect at least this low to be taken out now. That is around 70.2804. Okay, this is US dollar against the Mexican peso. Yeah, like this. You remember now? This was the case. So this low will not be there now. This will be the relevant low. But still, 70.2804 is now the support and the first target also. But we have from this double top, this is the breakdown, and we were expecting some rise towards 38% or 50% before we could see a down move, but it has already broken lower. So let's go with this, and for the lower prices, the maximum that I'm looking out for this one is 17.0518. All right, Australian against the Canadian one, we had some anticipation of the price going up and finding support here, and here it looks like it is making okay something. From the 4 hour, it is not that easy to understand. At least if you can with me, can you think something like this: a low, a lower low, and then a higher low? Is it not something like that? It is a higher low, it is a lower low, and is it not a higher low being formed here? Yeah, so let's go to the daily. Is it not something like that forming here? See, the pattern is similar, right? It may be like 2 days or 3 days of movement here, but the pattern is similar. So what is the thing here is the third day, the high of third day, when it is taken out, we become the buyers. So now you go to the 4 hour again. So I think this is the high that you should keep an eye on. That is around 0.88741. But otherwise, for downside, 0.8823 is the support, 0.8906 is the resistance in the Australian dollar candle. Or DCHF, we are expecting an up move from here. And how beautifully you see the price has come down to this level found support here and now it's trying to go up. If you go back to the daily, you will realize that we had asked that look for a buying opportunity close to this level 0.5734, and if you're not sure where to buy, then you can look for something like this. You can bring it to the 1 hour channel, and once this channel breaks out or the price breaks out from this channel, you can be very sure that yes, the pullback is over and the price is headed back to the previous high that it has taken. So now the first target for us will be this high, which is around 0.5860, and the next target will be this previous high, which is I think yeah, around 5920. Yeah, 5923. Does that make any sense, Anis? Do you understand this point? This is a very, very good trade if you want to take. Very, very good trade. You see the price was headed lower, then suddenly buyers thought, okay, this is a good price, so let's break it. It broke higher, and now it has come back to that area of breakout to test it as a fresh support, and the pullback, which was being suppressed by this channel, is taken out. Now right now it is not taken out, but of course it is possible. That is what I'm saying, because the bias is bullish on the daily. So if something like this happens today or tomorrow, then you should be looking for a bullish price action in this market. This is what I am expecting. Look for buying action here. Okay, does that make any sense to anybody? Guys, this is pure price action analysis in front of you. If you are also vibing around like me, I'm very happy when I'm doing these webinars. If you also feel the same, you may start pressing that like button, which is there. Do whatever you want to do, but that should become white in color. Okay. So Anis, I'm asking again, is there anything, any pair that you want me to have a look at? Is there any pair that you want me to have a look at? No? All right, then I will go to CHFJPY. Yeah, so we are targeting 168.41, although we were looking for a pullback in this one before we could head higher, but it is already going higher. Hey Clara, hello, how are you? Welcome to the stream. Long time no see. So gold, I'm thinking that it will go down, although today it is going up. So I'm not selling it today, but maybe tomorrow or maybe next week, gold is going to be sold off. I'll come back to gold, but let me check this CHFJPY now, because I have already hovered the chart. So we were expecting the price to come down to this level so that the fresh buyers can jump in, but it did not give any time for fresh buyers and has headed higher already from here. Now this level may act as support, but the price I think is not coming back to this level also. So 168.41 is the first level of target. So Clara is saying about the gold, so let's have a look at the gold first. Gold. This is the gold. Yesterday we talked about yesterday we talked about this, that if the price goes below and closes below 1953, then this level should act as a resistance, and if it does not, then we will look for something like selling opportunity in this market. Now understand with me that the price was making higher and higher lows until here, and then it did not went lower than this till here. So these are the two levels for us to consider. We can even forget about this one, but now the price is going up. It should find resistance before 2009, because the sellers are in control of the market and they may not even allow this high to be broken. So what you can do is you can make a channel where you can actually join these highs and this low, and expect the price to hit somewhere here on the channel and then come down. Actually the price can even hit this low as the fresh resistance now and then head lower. But ultimately you understand that the bias in gold now is bearish. So do not look for buying the gold, but look for a selling opportunity. And I will say that go to the 1 hour for this and see, okay, 1 hour has turned bullish. So you want 1 hour to turn bearish. So I think that time is not coming very soon. So because something like this has to happen for that. Oh, sorry. I mean, something like this has to happen for that. That is, the low has to break. So that then it will become a bearish market structure. So right now it is against the bearish market structure of the daily time frame. So till the time the price doesn't become bearish, even in the 1 hour, you should not be looking for a selling opportunity. That is one point. Now going back to the daily, you see that this was a very crucial support here. The price was going down, and then this support was broken, so the price became in an uptrend, but immediately it was sold and the price has again gone below the support area, the recent support area of 1953.40. So once the price breaks below that and closes there, so we can look for the selling opportunities even at higher prices. But you should not be looking for the selling opportunities higher than 2009. That is my point. Somebody saying Euro GBP. What is happening in Euro GBP? In Euro, we were expecting a sell-off around 0.8682. But remember, yesterday I gave you a warning that this price has broken out of this falling channel. So don't look for any selling opportunity. Although, no. I think I told you that look for a selling opportunity close to 0.8735. But above this, don't look for any selling opportunity here. I must have told you something like that. Okay. Till now, the price is in a sell mode. Here you can see that the price broke below this. Now it should have been acting as a resistance, although it did not, and the price is headed higher. Now the price was making lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So if the price has to say keep going in the similar direction, then it has to make a high, this one below here, only below. It should be only below this, because once the price closes higher than this or trades higher than this, then this market structure will break and the price will start going up, and that is not expected here. Euro is expected to fall against the pound. So 0.8735 in my eyes, in my views, is the resistance, and the price can head back towards 0.8682 and also maybe 0.8610. That is my expectation here. All right, guys. Any questions on this one? Any questions? All right, since you don't have any questions, so Euro GBP, I have a bearish bias. The bias will change only if the price trades above 0.8735. I hope you understand that. So guys, let me go through all. I have a sell order at 0.8735. Why you are so confident about? Okay, you can have, but this is called aggressive trading. I will say, look for a selling opportunity. Don't just sell it blindly. You want to see what happens when somebody sells blindly? Look at here. Somebody just sold off here and the price went here. You want to know who is he? Zumi, was it you? No, I think it was Anis. Whatever. So you should look for a selling opportunity. That means the price should behave in a manner that you want it to. If it doesn't behave in the manner that you want, then why force any trade? Because I was expecting a sell-off from here. That actually happened, but no, then it was immediately bought back. Maybe somebody's stop loss is triggered. Then don't sell this pair just unnecessarily when the price is headed higher. Yes, when it makes some red candles here, then it will give you an alert that, okay, now I'm going to get sold off. So then you can sell this market rather than selling it now. Okay. Right now, print. All right, guys. I'll just share quickly the. Okay, yesterday there was a bullish engulfing and the bullish pin bar at the support. So expect higher prices. 0.0736, 1.0769, and higher prices are possible in the euro against the dollar. In the pound, my friend has taken a buy position here, and I think he should keep that stop loss intact so that the price has some room to go higher here. And I am expecting higher prices like 1.2337 and even higher here in the pound. Right now, the immediate resistance is 1.2337. The support is around, I think, I have a small sell. I'm not confident. Yeah, so, okay, that's your wish. I cannot comment on that, Zumi. But if you have small SL, then even small SL is a SL. Yeah. Anyways. Australian dollar also, I think I am expecting the higher prices here. Do you remember when I said to you yesterday that this is the area where the buyers will jump in? You see the price was making lower highs and lower lows, and yesterday here, sorry, today here, it on the 4 hour has broken the market structure. So even if you get a second opportunity, this is possible, and the prices can go back beyond 0.6442 and even towards 0.6521 here. US dollar against the yen, higher prices 151.94 is possible, lower price 148.80 is possible, but nothing is happening, so I am staying away from this market. USD CAD, okay, finally has stuck between two prices, 1.3745 and 1.3812. Nothing here, nothing. It is just consolidating, I think, before the next move lower. Now, yesterday somebody was thinking that why this level, 1.3812 was the level which I told you. The price had not hit this level when I told you that this is going to be the level of resistance. I'm not just saying it. You can go back to yesterday's webinar and see what I said, or even you can go to 1 hour and see these levels I had drawn before this price could head over here. So this is last. You can go back 24 hours. This is the 24-hour. That means the price was here, and I said that this is going to be the resistance, and this is what happens. All right, USD CHF. USD CHF also lower prices are expected, but now the prices I think consolidating. So Swiss franc is getting stronger. US dollar we are expecting to go down. So I'm expecting a huge down move here. So the price can actually take 0.8887 first, and later on it can even I think go back to 0.8552. So let us see how the things unfold, but right now I am thinking that there is a huge sell-off possible in the USD CHF in the coming time. Similar guys, still consolidating, so do not try to trade this market. Gold, I am looking for a selling opportunity here. I think I have shared that. I am looking for a selling opportunity. This may be a selling opportunity, but I am looking for the market structure break. On 30 minutes or on 15 minutes you can get a selling trade, but I will not recommend you to go to the 15 minutes or 30 minutes to trade. 4 hour, 1 hour is still okay, but 30 minutes, 15 minutes is not okay for trading. Brent, we are looking for the lower prices only. Any high or any rise should be sold off. If you're already looking for a selling opportunity, then that opportunity may come when the price breaks this rising channel. Okay, when the price breaks this rising channel, you can look for a selling opportunity, guys. Bitcoin finally made a move. Okay, yesterday it made a move, and today also. 37,380 was the resistance that was hit, and the price is again below that level. But since 37,380 is breached, so I am expecting now 39,969, and that is possible. Also, look at this one here. When you have this high and you join the high with the next high, and then you see that the third high tried to penetrate through it but came back, that means another high is also possible in this after a pullback. That means the price is headed towards 39,969 very soon, but not today. Ethereum also very nice. 2026. Did we talk about 2026? 1 million times. We talked about this level 1 million times, or maybe even more. So yes, that level has come. After this, 2138 is the next target. Euro against Australian dollar. Breakout is confirmed. Now I think this is looking for a buying opportunity. Let's go to 1 hour. What is happening? So yes, euro or you should be looking for a buying opportunity with the target of 1.6760. Or in New Zealand, a sell off, and this was expected 1.0779. See guys, the okay, I have to praise myself. I think for some time here I'm very happy with my performance. You may not be happy because you are doing it sometime 1 day, sometime 2 days. I'm very happy because I am monitoring my own performance, my own predictions, my own analysis performance every day, and I'm very happy with what my performance is. And I'm very happy that I'm able to predict the markets not so precisely, but to a certain level where one can be a consistently profitable trader. And my idea here is to tell this to everybody, whoever joins us. Okay, he should know the only thing that I require from you is that do not risk more than 1% on any single trade. If your stop loss gets triggered, don't get disheartened. This is the part of the process. The SL has to be triggered, because if it doesn't get triggered, your account will go into minus. So you should be happy that your stop loss got triggered and it triggered in time. So don't be disheartened. Okay guys, now since the price has traded below 1.0803, so you can now expect this level to act as a resistance on the 1 hour. You can expect, but you do not have any surety that this will act as a resistance, but you see on the low time frames it is acting as a resistance. So the next target that we are looking for here is 1.0779. So how is pound performing against Australian dollar? Well, we are still looking for a selling opportunity, but we will become sellers only below 1.8856, because that time this will inverse this head and shoulder will break down, and we'll look for a retest to 1.8856 area for a selling opportunity with the target of this one, and later on 1.7221. This is a huge opportunity for us. This can actually become your trade of the year next year. All right, so keep an eye on this one. USA 30 still struggling, and now it is looking to me like a swing formation here. So tomorrow, if the price breaks through the low of today, then expect the price to go back to 32,318. Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc, although this is an inside bar today, but I am expecting a sell off in this market also with a target of 0.6453 and even lower. GBP CAD, well, yesterday it became a support, today it is an inside bar, maybe consolidation is in process. The price can consolidate to 20th of November, later on it will be trying to, I think, go higher. US Tech also on the similar lines of the Dow Jones is finding resistance at these higher prices. Expect a sell-off. If that doesn't happen and the price trades above and closes above, then 15,628 will be exposed in this market. Or DJPY, we are bullish. Sorry guys, we are bullish in this one, and we are expecting 97.67, actually this one, but 97.67 is what is expected, and price is now finding resistance here at 96.92 because it closed lower than this. Any close higher than 96.92 will attract the price towards 97.67. I am bullish on this one, but even if the price starts dropping from here, then 95.66 area should be acting as a very good support for this market. GBP, we are biased above 183.81. If the price drops to that level, we will be trying to buy this market again, because that is supposed to be a very strong support now for the GBP JPY. GBP CHF, the price was trying to drop below, but I think this channel will support the price. I'm not sure yet, but let us see how the things unfold, because I'm very bullish on the Swiss franc. So if the franc starts going up, then pound can be sold off with the targets of 1.0782, but only below 1.0998, which is supposed to be a very good support for the price. Euro GBP we have discussed, CHF JPY we have discussed, AUD CHF we have discussed, AUD CAD we have discussed, USD MXN. Okay, so we have discussed all the pairs, guys. If you have any particular pair that you want me to have a look at right now in front of you, I will be very happy to do that. Please let me know, or I'll be going to I'll be going to my family to put on lights because the Diwali is coming on 12th of November. Have you looked at gold? Yes, Renaud Hamal. By the way, first of all, welcome here. Renaud, are you trading with Dukas copies charts, or what are you using for charts? If you don't mind me asking, I've seen you first time here, I think. Hamal? Oh, I'm sorry. I just checked in on the screen now. What do you mean? What trading platform do you use to trade? That's my simple question. Which trading platform do you use to trade the gold? I will do the gold again for you. I use MetaTrader 5 on. Okay, so let me show you the gold here. We have covered that. Is it your first time here? I'm in my first phase of the 10K funded. Okay, so look at here. Till now, the price was making higher highs and higher lows. In my opinion, this was the highest low that the price made, around 1953.404. This is the highest low that the price made before making this high at 2009. So between these two highs, this was the highest low. So this became my swing pivot, and once the price broke through this, I became cautious, and that has happened just yesterday. So since this low is taken out now, so I'm cautious, although the price is making high, or you can say the price is giving us a green candle. But if I go and look at the low time frames, I check that I have a channel in place, and that channel may be a good resistance once the price switches here. And that can happen because on the 1 hour, the price has already entered the buy mode. So I will be selling this gold once the price uh, when the price enters the sell mode on this 1 hour. I'm expecting something like this. I will show you exactly, and tomorrow we can have a look at it again. I'm expecting first the price to make higher highs and higher low. Okay, sorry, but this is white, you cannot see it. So this is what I'm expecting. Let me show you. This is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting the price to keep going like this for some time, and then hit this resistance, and then break through this low. Actually, to be like this. This is what I'm expecting. When it breaks this low, I become cautious, and then I look for a selling opportunity like this. So if I go to the daily, I'll show you that something like this is happening here. The price was making higher highs and higher lows, and this was the highest low that the price had made. Now it has broken through it. So I have become cautious now, and I will be looking for a selling opportunity when the price tries to return to these levels. Just hope that I have explained you what was required. Okay, so this is what is expected. I'm not buying this market, although you may be willing to buy this market looking at this bullish engulfing and this spin bars and all these green candles, but I'm not. I'm looking for the price to get in line with the daily pattern, or with the daily I can say market structure. And now the daily market structure is down, so expect the price to come down. That's all from my side. Was I successful in your explaining you, Hamal? Did you understand what I just said? I followed some streams a couple of months ago, but then I've been focusing on school, etc. So not really new, just not very active. Okay. So long term, that is daily time frame bearish. Yes. Yes. Exactly, Hamal. It is long term, it is bearish. But if you are looking for intraday, then 1 hour is bullish. Yes, you see, the 1 hour is bullish. And even 1 hour can come here and then it can go up. That's all from my side, guys. I request you to be here tomorrow. That is the last trading day of the week. We will be here at 1700 at Greenwich Mean Time. I will say 1 hour. I think later than the London time. I think I'm not sure, but yes, we will be here. And I request you once again. So please do not risk more than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With the same note, I will end this live stream also, and we'll see you tomorrow at 1700 once again. If you want to touch base with me, if you want to contact me, my Skype handle is there on your screen right now, and you can contact me. But I will not be receiving calls, but I can answer your questions if you have any queries, or if you just want to have some chit chat, you can tell me that also. My ID is right now on your screen, and if you want, you can also subscribe to my another YouTube channel, which is my YouTube channel on, where I put sometimes videos of the trades that I'm taking, or sometimes just some knowledge sharing that I do. Thank you very much for being here, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Based on what is the intraday bullish channel? How do you know how steep to draw? No. I have not drawn the steepness. That is just guesswork. Amal, this this channel I have not drawn based on something. This is just my expectation, and that some channel will go like this. This channel is not yet made. Okay, this channel be like this also, this channel can be like this also. We are not sure. We can make channel only once the price makes another low. Suppose it makes a low here and then makes another high, then only we can make this channel precise like this. Okay, this is my expectation, because it has just broken this high, so I am expecting a higher low to be formed and a higher high to be formed. I am saying something like this will form. I am not saying that it has formed. Your question is very valid. We cannot have this channel valid till the time the price has not made a low and a higher high. I hope I answered your question. This channel is just a hint for my viewers that something like this is about to happen. This is not a valid channel, guys. Okay, this is not a valid channel. We don't know. Now he's saying how steep it will be. Will it be like this? 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 Will it be like this or this or this? We are not sure yet. We will know for sure only when the price makes another higher low here and a higher high. So in that case, if it does like this, then this will be your exact channel. Hamal, just let me know if I have answered your question so that I can go home. It's time to say bye-bye. And if you have any further questions, you can check me on the Skype. Anybody else? Any other question, please? Alright guys, I'm not getting any feedback, so it's time to say bye-bye. Take care. See you tomorrow at 1700 Greenwich Mean Time. Bye-bye. Take care. Oh, sorry. I did not show you the charts, and I'm talking about the charts. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. My the question is that based on what is the intraday bullish channel, how do you know how steep to trade? I'm sorry. I want to answer you, but I had something else on the screen. So I said that we don't know how steep it has to be. We will know only when the price makes a higher low here and a higher high. Then only we will be able to know that this channel is intact or good or not. How steep it should be, we don't know yet. It can be this steep also, it can be this steep also, but we will know for sure when the price makes a higher low and higher high. Then only we can join these two lows, and then a channel will be formed by joining these two lows and the recent high that the price has made. I hope that answers your questions, Hamal, and if it not, then I'm so sorry, because now we don't have time. Now it's time to go. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye, take care.